Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode that's cool, amazing model right here in my hand, and basically what this is a solar powered fountain pump. So basically what that means is the actual product itself, all you guys need to do is put this into like a fountain or put it into a tub or something, and all you guys need is the sunlight to actually shine directly on the actual product itself, and that way actually produce like a fountain out of this product itself. You don't need to use any battery, which is definitely pretty awesome. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what is included inside first. Alright, so let's first open it up. That's what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so first thing you see inside right here is instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and how to clean it and all the different parts that's on here. And then right underneath that, you guys can see there's a bunch of accessories right here. So they've actually provided you guys a bunch of these accessories or different heads that you can use to actually put on the pump itself. And last but not least, it's the actual product itself right here, if you can see. So you can definitely see all the solar panels on here. And the bottom right here is basically where the water will come out from. So you guys want to put this onto like a tub or a fountain or something. And this is basically the part where it actually sucks the water in. And then actually produce the water from here and sprays it out. And on the actual product itself right here, it does have a protective film. So you definitely need to remove that before using it. Otherwise, the solar panel itself won't be super effective. So what you guys want to do is to put in the extension pipe right here first, which is what we have here. That just put in. And you guys want to pick whatever you guys want to use. So if you guys want to use this one, just put this one in. If you guys want to use a different one, just take this one out. So for this test, I'm just going to use this one right here. So what I want to do is just stick it on top right here. So once you guys have this set right here, what you guys want to do is take off the actual protective film and put this onto a tub, or you guys can put it onto a fountain and you guys can actually put it outside or put it where you guys can get sunlight and it actually starts working. So let me actually go get like a tub or something and put some water inside and show you guys how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the product right here. And I got my tub of water right here. So first thing I want to do is to remove the film right here. So let me do that first. Alright, so once we remove the film, you can see it actually looks pretty nice. So what I want to do now is just to put it into the tub and see what happens. So in order for it to actually be super effective, you need to get direct sunlight onto it. So right now it doesn't have like direct sunlight onto it, but the sun is still out. So it's not as strong to actually produce enough sunlight. So you definitely need to put it somewhere where it's directly on the sun. So since there's not enough sunlight, so I'm gonna use a work light and also another light as well. And you can see it actually will work. So you definitely need to have a lot of sunlight for it to actually produce enough power to use it. But in the actual product itself, it does work. It's just not as strong right now because it's not fully charged and it's not enough sunlight to give enough power to it. Like right now, we're using work light and that option right here to give it power. Alright, so it actually works really, really well. So you have to shine it directly at the sun itself to get that direct sunlight in order for it to work really well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself and definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Obviously, if you guys want to get the best result at the actual product itself, you do want to bring this outdoor or put it directly somewhere where you can get direct sunlight. Otherwise, it will not work as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we're unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So I definitely have to say that for any kind of like solar water fountains in general that's very similar to this one right here, it's super worth it if you guys do want one. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.